Hey, it's Julie Gordon with the Homeschool Techie Tribe, and I wanted to come out and share a little bit about our vision for the 2018 and 19 school year. I've been a homeschooling parent for 5 years. Never thought I'd make it past the first year, but thank God I did. It's been a journey, and through that journey, I've learned a lot. And my daughter's going to be in 3rd grade this year. My son will be in 8th grade. And that back there is the cat. She's naughty. So anyways, just coming to you, I want to tell you what the Homeschool Techie Tribe is all about. We are planning on launching some fantastic, really fantastic homeschool digital courses. Most of them will be free. How about that? You don't find that much, do you? So if you head over to Facebook and just go ahead and join the Homeschool Techie Tribe, we are going to put you on a list and get you ready to launch fall of 2018. So get ready. We're going to teach your students from A to Z how to build a website. Also, a lot of other digital technology tools. And that must be Skipper approved because she's being a naughty little cat. The things we don't do for our kids. I don't like cats. I got them for them.